We're back and Rohit is on camera now. We're gonna
Which one?
start War Room episode 1 after Champions League match day 2. Yeah. So Mr. Rohit, yeah, what are we gonna talk about? Yeah.
We're gonna
Who
talk about
who
the humiliation of
who
FC Barcelona. So
ठीक है
you
ना
are wearing the jersey. I
तुम you
ain't
are
even
coming
wearing the
on
jersey,
as a neutral.
right?
हम हैं बार्सिलोना
So
फैन तो बायस तो हम रखेंगे. So we're gonna start talking about Pedri versus Vitinha first of all. है ना? This match doesn't change a thing. Pedri still clears him. However, PSG ने continuously अपन को 2-3 बार हरा दिया है. They beat us when Mbappe scored a hat trick. They beat us last year over 2 legs, last to last year. Now they've beaten us again. Plus, on top of that, Dembele winning the Ballon d'Or after leaving Barcelona doesn't sit well with me. Well, I've made my peace with it, but should have been Lamine.
ठीक है, like, I don't really want to get into the discussion of Ballon d'Or right now. With Pedri and Vitina, I think Vitina actually showed why he's like the way he is, like why people are saying and why he finished better than Pedri. Though I also think Pedri should have finished at a higher position than Vitina, but that didn't come. But still, like all credit to Vitina, he had a great performance throughout the year. Even if he's in the Portugal, he was the main guy who like drove Portugal through all the UEFA Nations League, and now he's like putting it at every stage,
Yeah,
right? At
they get rest
UCL,
from
at
the league,
I don't
bro.
care about the
The
league,
league is
right?
done in 20th match
But
day,
still,
then
like
they get to rest. We have to play 2 games every 4 days, every week we have 3 games. ये La Liga season इतना packed and it's only gonna get worse, bro. The schedule इतना tight है, they're gonna merge 2 international breaks into one. By the way, I think this October international break. Yes, 2 इंटरनेशनल ब्रेक नहीं होंगे, वो एक साथ दोनों
yeah.
को एक में कंबाइन कर देंगे अब. 2 महीने में एक होगा. It's not
So
better.
you're
बहुत
telling me
ज़्यादा
it's better,
पेटी पैक
right?
शेड्यूल हो
If
गया
they are
है. Even
merging.
some CBC or Theory Henry also talked about this. They were like कि same thing that we're talking about कि fatigue बहुत ज़्यादा है. The primary reason we couldn't perform in the second half was fatigue. Apart from the fact that outclass हो गया थोड़ा फ्लिक एनरिके से, बट फटीग प्लेज अ पार्ट. इतना इंटेंसिटी नहीं था. प्लस गावी और फर्मीन और राफिनिया जो इंटेंसिटी लाते हैं अपने टीम में, वो ही नहीं थे तीनों. तो ठीक है. फोटो गोल मार दी. यस,
Actually, I think even like I think Flick himself said that like we have to give him the some kind of time management. But there was this point raised by Neil himself. He said that it could have done in the previous match against Sociedad, right? Maybe there Flick could have like rested Pedri for maybe 30 minutes, right? So I think it was a bit fault on the Flick side here regarding the management of Pedri, because like on UCL night you want your best players to be at their physical peak. Of course, it's not possible because they have to play the league. It's possible rest in the previous match, but okay, it happens. I think we are in some sense it was an unlucky match for us because like so many injuries. Rafina is not there. Like fucking Garcia also went. So like it all like happened, and we all like agree like this is one of the
एग्जैक्टली.
most disappointed games we have seen
एंड आई थिंक
under Flick.
there was a stubbornness
But
on Flick's
we
part
also
as well.
yeah.
मतलब in any other manager, as far as last 5 years is concerned, we would have just passed around and had our fun. But we still had to maintain that pretty high line in front of PSG. Well, they proved yesterday why they cannot be messed around with. You know, apart from some teams such as PSG and Inter in UCL, we've done pretty good. At least Flick has done pretty good. Second half was very telling, was very concerning. Either is telling about his stubbornness that I can't adapt, or maybe he's like, I would rather score 3 goals and concede 2 rather than winning one.
Yeah, you can say like this is he's like you can say like trade off. This is some kind of he if he's like so into that he's gonna play the high line, then obviously the thing will, like, the moment will come, then it will backfire. We have seen that in against Inter, right? Previous year, yesterday also we saw that, and I don't know what happened. So high line at, I don't know, 85th minute, I think we conceded, and we all saw the whole reaction of Flick and how charged up or how frustrated he was with it himself. I think so that was a big problem. Even like also like defensively, I think we
का
didn't really
प्रॉब्लम
like in some sense. If
इनिगो
you see now
इनिगो
in second
इनिगो जब
half,
से गया है
there was very
कुबारसी हैव शिफ्टेड टू
like
राइट सेंटर
very
बैक नाउ ही इज गुड एट पासिंग बट उसका एक पैरिंग नहीं बैठ पा रहा है अपन को एक चाहिए रहेगा बिकॉज वी हैव एट राइट बैक बट गार्सिया या फिर अराउवो भी इज नॉट पेयरिंग वेल विद कुबारसी आई फील सो तो वो थोड़ा
I think what Flick has tried now, he is trying Garcia to pair with Kubarsi, but I have seen like issues with Garcia as well. He could be good at ball playing, but at times like there is this connection between RB and how Yamal cuts in. So there is some sort of lack of Eric in that position. I've seen him. I don't know which match he was like not really hitting the
ब्रो
thing, but
गार्सिया
Flick still backing him. That's a good sign. But we
he had a
still
good
have
game
time.
bro he
So
was our best
at
defender
least like
अगर
credit
आप
goes to him. He
पूछोगे
had a
तो
good game
the way Kunde got
last time.
dusted bro from Mumbai it's very बॉलिंग ब्रो ऐसा लग रहा था एम्बाप्पे खेल रहा था कुंडे
Ah,
वाज
I
लिटरली
also
जब
get it.
एंकल ट्विस्टर मिल रहे थे उसको बट ठीक है आई विल स्टिल से फटीग फॉर द मोस्ट पार्ट गिवन द एंटायर टीम जैसे खेली है प्लस थोड़ा कलेक्टिव वी वर वेरी वी आर नॉट वेरी कलेक्टिव वी शुड हैव बीन मोर कलेक्टिव वी वर ऑल ओवर द प्लेस पासेस नहीं बैठ रहे थे प्रेसिंग तो ठीक थी बट स्टिल आई थिंक इवन दिस सीजन आई डिडंट थिंक इनिगो के जाने से पहले कि ये वी कुड बी एनी बेटर थोड़ा डिफेंसिव अपना अच्छा स्टार्ट हुआ था डिफेंसिव रिकॉर्ड अपना स्टिल अच्छा है ये सीजन सो फार कंपैरिजन विद लास्ट हाँ
Because
क्रिस्टियनसन इज
maybe
आल्सो
of course
बैक तो
Garcia
थोड़ा
has also come
क्रिस्टियनसन
and
अगर
he's also
क्रिस्टियनसन आई
playing
थिंक
good,
विल
right?
सिट वेल विद कुबार्सी
I don't know like where will he like Flick use Christensen? Is he want him to be as a DM or as a RCB? Like we still have no idea. Like because he has tried him as a DM, right? But now Bernal is also into the case and Casado is also into the case, and so maybe Christensen might shift to
वी नीड
the
डेप्थ देयर
backline again. Maybe, but
I think
it
Christensen is
depends a lot.
flexible, he's versatile, he can be a utility player for us at least this season because there is a lot of competition within the midfield as well. So Gavi injured हो गया तो it eases things up. But apart from it, the midfield is packed. आपके पास पेड्री है, आपके पास फ्रैंकी है, जो तो स्टार्टर्स हैं ही. आपको थोड़ा और अटैक चाहिए तो आपको डायरेक्ट प्ले चाहिए तो यू कैन गेट कसाडो इन. You have Fermin for explosiveness. Fermin always brings his थोड़ा goal scoring. So he has a knack for scoring goals. That's good.
Energy.
And there are people debating कि ना Fermin would have finished that Danny Olmo का chance. But ठीक है ये what if वाला
Yeah,
scenario.
you never know. It's like, of course, like we everybody thinks that it should have been finished, but it didn't. Like it didn't happen. I don't know how Olmo played throughout the game because he wasn't much in the game. I thought like so. Even in the second half, now what the issue now? Like we couldn't even hold the ball for 30 seconds. That was very, in some sense, disappointing or let's say shocking for me. Like Flick should have told the players maybe like, okay, let's calm down. Let's try to keep the ball for at least 30 seconds, not make a rush pass on man, not make try to even triple. Right? We can have this period of where we are in the control. But I didn't
हाँ,
see that for even like
usually
1 minute we didn't
usually
have
that's
this
Barca's
stretch
go
of
to
position, right?
strategy
Which
कि
was very
अगर
good.
कुछ काम नहीं कर रहा अटैक नहीं बन रहा तो we'll just pass around the ball for a while and it will click. It has been like this. We try to keep the ball if we are not in control, but वो भी नहीं हो रहा था. Well, a lot of things to improve upon. Definitely रोटेशन और यू विल नोटिस फ्लिक ने इस बार रोटेशन भी काफी किया है इन ला लीगा मैचेस एज वेल हिज लाइनअप्स भी इज नॉट सो कंजर्वेटिव वो एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग कर रहा है वो। लास्ट मैच डे ही जस्ट स्टार्टेड ड्रो एंड रूनी। तो देखते।
Mm. No, that's a good thing that he is like uh, backing his players, the new players. Like,
ब्रो,
bro,
पेड्रो,
like who fucking knows, bro, he is now coming and playing. So he learned a lot as well. Physically, he was very challenged a lot by the Sociedad player. But I think there is a talent, a good talent. He is a very flexible player. If you
barely
see him now,
15 दो प्लस ब्रो।
he is a
मतलब
very elegant.
कहाँ से रिक्रूटमेंट? चेक।
I think he's 79.
15 16।
No, no, he's 17. I saw it. He's 70 and
17।
I think he's Spanish. Uh, so that. But the most exciting thing that I'm looking for is I think Bernal. But I don't really want to put him in the pressure because he's just coming from the injury. So we don't know like how it will go. Like we thought that Gavi also is gonna rock it when he came, but he didn't has his moment, let's say, or he didn't. He found it hard to get in the team again. Now he also again suffered
He'll
another
bounce back. He's
setback,
our
so
Gavi
it's
boy,
like a
Gavira.
setback for him also.
Gavira will bounce back.
So for Bernal,
Until then, we have plenty of squad. We may need a striker at least when Leva goes, and he has to go after this season, I guess. The way he performs every season, he'll do that.
yeah, yeah.
इस साल तो अपने का प्रायोरिटी में नहीं हो सकता था। फर्स्ट विंग प्रायोरिटी।
As we know, Leva is going right. So if he leaves the next season, then the next striker has to like learn from Ferran. I'm not here throwing Ferran in the bus under the
Yeah,
bus,
वो I
but
think
still, like if
Leva
you are
has
learning from Leva, right? He has this experience. I think
अटका
you're not.
शायद अटका
What happened? Did he
अटका
leave?
रे।
I think he left. Let him come.
Yeah, let's go. We're back again. Yeah, so we're talking about who? Dro, Ferran, yeah. So yeah, I think Leva has done a great job, mingling in with the teenagers. He likes kids, I guess. But his best friend is literally a 20-year-old, so that goes a lot to show कि वो he's very flexible. Has been very Leva plus उसका I think Gavi उसका best friend.
I think Gavi is the best friend of everyone.
Yeah, not Fermin, not Fermin.
Why?
ब्रो तुझे पता नहीं फरमीन और उसका गावी का बीच चल रहा था अभी। तो मतलब
हाँ,
इट वाज ट्विटर।
हो ही नहीं सकता वो गावी का किसी से भी
तो
नहीं।
द टी वाज कि क्या कहते हैं both of their girlfriends had beef and that beef propagated through them and through Fermin's cryptic stories. Fermin posted cryptic stories bro कि I am loyal and there was an entire लोग बेट डाल रहे हैं कि वह जो फक गावी ब्रो who's गावी ब्रो गावी बार्सिलोना fans standing on
So
गावी due to
the rumor goes like कि Gavi Fermin's girlfriend cheated with Gavi
ना
or
ना ना
something like
चीटेड वीटेड नहीं उन दोनों की गर्लफ्रेंडों की लड़ाई हो गई और वो फिर एक
that. Sorry.
दैट्स इट बट जब अभी गावी इंजर्ड हो गया तो फर्मी लाइक ब्रो ही वाज वेरी हैप्पी फर्मी वाज बेसिकली हैप्पी कि गावी इंजर्ड
What the fuck? Bro, they don't even play at the same position. Like,
अरे बट मिडफील्ड में तो बेटर, प्लस उनकी लड़ाई तो बंदियों के चक्कर में हुई ना यार, बंच ऑफ किड्स ना ब्रो।
but that's not like
अरे
that's ugly.
इट वाज स्पेकुलेशन ऑन ट्विटर टी, इट्स नॉट, मतलब तो बार्सिलोना में तो ये चलता रहता है। तो 2 दिन आप 2 मैच आप हारोगे तो फिर ऐसे ऐसे रूमर्स आते हैं।
अरे नेग्रेरा, नेग्रेरा यू कैन से।
नेग्रेरा, वो मैड्रिड नहीं था। मैड्रिड, मैड्रिड अभी हारी थी रिसेंटली, तो आपको नेग्रेरा की न्यूज दिखी होगी मार्का पे। बाय द वे, इसने लपोटा हैज
अरे he left
filed
again.
a lawsuit
I
against
like having issue.
Bartomeu and Co, एंड वो कोर्ट में हियरिंग है उसकी, आई थिंक। ही फाइल्ड अ लॉसूट कि जब आपने कुटिन्यो को साइन किया, जब आपने ग्रीजमैन को साइन किया, यू देयर वर सम कमीशंस दैट यू पेड, थर्ड पार्टी कमीशंस। उस बेंच लटक गया फिर से यार। तो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट सम
Yeah,
डिफरेंट मैचेस और व्हाट।
what's your issue?
व्हाट्स माय इशू ब्रो, ऐसे कैसे बोलता, हाउ कैन यू से दिस?
Bro, you can keep leaving me alone here, and I'm like, what?
So you're
Like,
scared
who
of
should
the audiences, you're scared of the demons, bro, you're scared of the silence or what?
I can talk on the camera all day, all night, but still, yeah, that's not.
अरे ब्रो
You should do
इंटरनेट
it.
इशू है, इंटरनेट इशू है। वी हैड मोर इंटरनेट इश्यूज बट वी स्विच्ड आवर फ्रॉम जियो टू लोकल।
बॉम्बे में इंटरनेट नहीं है क्या
देयर
ब्रो?
आर इंटरनेट इशू स्टिल। क्या?
बॉम्बे में इंटरनेट
बॉम्बे में इंटरनेट क्या पता यार, रात को 2:30 बजे सब पैंच पॉन देख रहे हैं तो लेटेंसी बढ़ गया है समथिंग लाइक दैट ब्रो।
या तो बारसा का मैच चलता है या फिर पॉन चलती है।
नहीं नहीं नहीं, सेम थिंग ब्रो।
हाँ, कल पॉन तो फिर बारसा को हो
सी
गया था।
गई,
सेकंड
डबल
हाफ वाज
गैंग
लाइक
बैंग हो गया ब्रो लमीन का। ठीक है मतलब।
Lamine also like I don't know like maybe he could have shifted Lamine to more inside so that he could have come more into the game, right? If you see, he was totally on the wing all the time, and again, like, players could have connected with Lamine more, right? Maybe he could have cut back, right? Because at one point he cannot be a winger player all the time, right? At one level, he has to have this, like how Messi shifted, right? He was a winger back then. Then he came into the number nine, right? False nine. So we also have to figure out like how to get Lamine into this. And there have been people talk he can adapt this thing and it would be great if it happens. But we still have to figure out how to integrate that.
आई थिंक थोड़ा,
So
आई थिंक इवेंचुअली वो नंबर 10 पे आएगा ही। इट्स ओनली मैटर ऑफ टाइम। बट या, बिकॉज अब आपके बूट्स ही फिल करने हैं आपको, उसके जो बेंच और फॉल्स नाइन
I
रहा हुआ है,
left
नंबर
again.
10 रहा हुआ है,
Uh,
विंगर रहा हुआ है। विल गेट देयर, विल गेट देयर। बाकी विल ऑल्सो टॉक अबाउट फ्रैंकी पेड्री डुओ। आई थिंक
2 hours for
ये
6
अगर टॉप फॉर्म
minutes.
फिर से गया बेंच हो गया ये यार।
Ah, he's back again. Ah, it's good, good. 21. I don't know, like, but it's still like, मेरे में 21 है तो it's like, okay, I think. मेरे भी यहाँ पे मतलब अपलोड तो हो ही सकती है ना, when the recording is done you may need to stick around. We will see like how everything is good. You connected with your phone. तो दो स्क्रीन। हाँ, तेरी भी आ रही है, एक और जंग जय मंगलानी आ रहा है। हाँ, नाउ गुड। ही लेफ्ट अगेन। Yeah, you back again, bro. Yeah, let's go. Now you're on phone, right? So you're on app. Sorry, you're on app. So you should have started with app. The recording is taking place. Choo, choo.
अरे मैं भी पंखा चलाऊंगा यार, गर्मी लग रही है। But again, sorry for interruption, guys. We'll clip
G.
this fucking out. We'll clip this out. We won't let you have any convenience. Don't worry, you'll get peak content and what. So, talking to
That,
ghosts. Talking to
that was
ghosts.
a good one. So where were we? We were talking about Lemon, was nine. Okay.
PSG. Let's talk about
About
PSG.
the pivot, let's say. Yeah, we can talk about PSG. So, like, what's clicking for PSG? I would say. I
फिर
left.
अटका है.
Fuck. And sure. Laudia. Oh.
कितने अरमान मान 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 जागे तेरे वास्ते सोनिए.
What's happening?
What's happening is something is going on with the internet, bro. It's not working properly. The YouTube video is getting played at high speed, but the Riverside is not working. बार बार अटक रहा है, तो मेरा खुद का एक्सपीरियंस खराब हो रहा है, honestly.
Riverside L.
Riverside L. Take this L, motherfucker. OBS clear.
Anyway, where were we?
PSG. We're gonna talk about PSG.
Yeah, yeah. How are they looking so good?
I think part of the reason is Enrique. Plus, they have actually got a great squad right now. They don't have fixture fixtures fatigue, because as we saw last season or the previous season or the seasons before that, they do finish the league very early. At least 20 30th मैच डे तक हो जाती है उनकी लीग खत्म. That's a great time to have. That's a great training and rest to have. Plus, अब UEFA में you have Nations League, you have World Cup qualifiers, then you have the World Cup. तो यार इंजरीज का भी एक सीन रहता ही है. पर बार्सिलोना गेम से पहले PSG के सारे प्लेयर्स इंजर होके आ जाते हैं वापस. आई एम सरप्राइज डेम्बेले कैसे नहीं आया वापस. विटिना इंजर्ड हुआ था पता है उनकी मैच डे के बाद, एंड देन न्यूज है कि ही विल प्ले अगेंस्ट बार्सिलोना. अपने
I
यहाँ
think 4-5 players.
देयर वाज अ टाइम they didn't have a midfield to play, but then Fabian Ruiz भी आ गया, फिर विटिनिया भी आ गया, सब साथ में ही आ गए.
That's Qatar money.
आई थिंक वो स्टेरॉइड्स में है PSG प्लेयर्स. दे शुड बी टेस्टेड.
So I think what PSG, I think I think everyone can agree that after Mbappe left and after Messi left, after Neymar left, so there was like uh, not a place, like not a single guy, right? That has this. Okay, we want to build around this player, right? That Mbappe is our person or Messi is our person, right? So after they went, they come as a more of a united person, right? United group, let's say. And Enrique is also very good in this sense. He has this collective effort. Like he doesn't want anyone to be the main guy. Even for Barcelona as well. Of course, Messi is playing, so he will be the main guy. But there as well, when we won the, for example, league, it has been ages. Like he made sure that the team had this unity, right? It's not like Messi, Messi, Messi. Like there is a mission, there is tactical, there is Yavi was last. Nesta was clicking, defense was great. So he has this very good coaching, you can say strategy, or you can say it's his best, I think, ability to make a group very collective. I don't know why he didn't click with Spain. I think Spain had its own problems and he was into the scene.
आई थिंक पार्टली बिकॉज
He left again.
I think since he has managed Spain, he kind of knows कि है ना, let's say for example पेड्री है ना, उनको पता है कि पेड्री को अगर let's say उसको इनफेक्टिव बनाना है, पेड्री को कंट्रोल करने नहीं देना है टू अ लार्ज एक्सटेंट, तो मे बी जब उसने उसको करते हुए देखा होगा, ही ऑब्वियसली नोज हाउ टू स्टॉप मोस्ट डू, बट वो एग्जीक्यूट नहीं कर पाते हैं उसके प्लेयर्स. बट एनरिके मेड हिज प्लेयर्स एग्जीक्यूट इट. थोड़ा अपन डायरेक्ट भी कम थे. वी शुड हैव फिनिश्ड जो भी इट्सी बिट्सी चांसेस थे अपने पास. बट इट वाज अ ग्रेट मैच ओवरऑल. वी आर
Right. That
वी आर
was
सो
good.
एक्सपेक्टेड टू. अपनी अपनी आदत हो गई है ना, फ्लिकी फ्लिका की अपनी को आदत हो गई है, तो वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग एवरी गेम टू बी मास्टर क्लास. Personally, I would adjust for a 1-0 win every once in a while, bro. We've seen that era. Eventually, you have to win trophies, तो आपको थोड़ा intensity down करना ही पड़ेगा. But Flick doesn't compromise in that shit. वो जर्मन डिसिप्लिन है, जर्मन डिसिप्लिन.
can say that, but still, like, it's not like your point would have been true if we had a good second half and we're still trying to score. But we didn't have a good, we had a very bad second half and he still went in an aggressive manner, right?
हाँ,
Kept the highlight. So, yeah, there is a criticism in that regard, definitely.
काइंड
Like,
ऑफ
for
आप
not having a good.
compensate करने ही आप कॉम्पनसेट करते ही रह गए rather than to you know to because we have been like एक stat देखा मैंने we have scored at least one goal in last 30 to 35 matches bro that's a great stat provided लीग से पहले काफी गोल डिप्राइव्ड थे लीग के पहले वाले सीजन में उस हिसाब से 35 मैच लगातार आपको एटलीस्ट एक गोल मारना दैट्स अ ग्रेट डील दैट मींस अपने गोल का प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो गया है एंड ऑब्वियसली डिफेंस विल गेट बेटर बट इन दीज मोमेंट्स ओनली यू गेट द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू बी टू to make that quote into existence की defense when you wins you titles you need some stability क्योंकि वह जो इंटर को अलाउ कर दिया अपन ने 7 गोल मारना तो पीएसजी 2 चलता है ओवर वन लेग but when it comes to knockouts we'll have to adapt like we'll have to adapt how कब तक भागेंगे
Flick has to adapt. That's like it will cost him if it keeps happening. Like, and we don't want it to come at the wrong time.
प्लस तुम नोटिस करोगे कि we're not letting go of our bottling DNA even although we have given a lot of comebacks in UCL we end up eventually bottling it let's say last to last season we had lead again PSG only Araujo red card then we bottled that lead last season also we couldn't keep the lead for 2 minutes bro Rafinha scored it was 90 plus 2 90 plus 5 तक हमको टाइम निकालना था वो भी अपन नहीं कर पाए ये तो लोग ग्रुप स्टेज है तो इसमें यू कैन लर्न नॉकआउट में वापस से नहीं हो एटलीस्ट बॉटल तो नहीं हो भाई अगर पेनल्टीज पे हार रहे हो समझ में भी आ रहा है डोंट एटलीस्ट फकिंग बॉटल इट तो वो डीएनए कहीं ना कहीं अभी भी है मे बी फ्रैंकी डियोंग को
You can say this is the like major criticism of Flick. Let's say so one of the few because he has been so good. He like there is an adaptability issue here, right? He has to adapt. But there's an ego. I think you can say there's an ego because he's a German. You can say so. I just think okay, I'll stick to my principle. I will not back here. But I don't think so. Like adaptability is a sign of weakness in any sense. Like it's just
हाँ
it's a very good trait, right? So he has to use that. He has to maybe, and of course, like I'm betting on him to do that,
या ब्रो विल
right?
स्टिल नंबर 1 इन यूसीएल कंटेंडर्स फॉर मी
At least
एटलीस्ट
from your perspective, right?
या ब्रो we're gonna win the UCL finally
If we keep this group of players together, and if we keep Flick together, if we keep Flick, because I think I saw some tweets that Flick might leave.
Might leave. Yeah, he'll extend for another season. He'll extend for another season as well. He won't leave this year, bro. He shouldn't leave this year. He needs at least
No, this
four
year,
years
I mean,
for
like
that.
after this season,
No, 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 no. I'm not ready.
like after this season, but still, there is one issue because like if Flick is actually doing actually good, which is he is doing, then there should be a longer contract. Nah, it should be like a 4 year contract or something rather than a 1 year extension, right?
Flick himself has asked for that shit because उसको पता है कि लंबा अगर वो अटका रह गया because अगर लंबा अटका रह गया ना तो काइंड ऑफ ही knows कि लपोटा being लपोटा he'll do his shit bro वो कुछ ना कुछ तो फियास्को ऐसा होगा जैसे जावी के साथ हुआ जावी had a long contract I don't know long contract at Barcelona is not it bro don't make long contract at Barcelona apart from players obviously
ठीक है, but still you need that stability at least.
yeah
मतलब if we are sure okay he's gonna stay next year, then it's good. We can
yeah
still
next
build
year
on
I
it.
would want him
But I would still want he stays here for if we keep on going like this, we'll definitely win the Champions League. But if he goes, and I don't know if he's gonna win this year or not, hopefully next year or at least this year, at least next year. But if there's been talk about Flick leaving, then things could go sideways. Like people might think about what's next, and maybe who's the next manager, and then everybody will start acting on that perspective. Okay, this manager might come, right? We have to play in that way, or
Iniesta,
I have to get.
Iniesta to kickstart his coaching journey with Barcelona.
I think Busquets would be great. Busquets, I think, has a very good chance at coaching if he gets at it, because like he has the, because there is something with DMs, right? If you see now, I think all many DMs are very good coaches.
Pep Guardiola
Like
was
I
a
cannot
central midfielder as well. What do you
even
think?
Xabi Alonso, you can say, right? He has
Guardiola.
a very Guardiola
In
himself,
general,
obviously.
midfielders.
Yeah, in general, midfielders, deep lying midfielders, because they have this, they know how to transition from back to front, right?
They kind of see the bird eye
Right.
of the game.
Yeah, you can say that would be good. Let's see. But I think he has already played his last MLS game. Busquets, I think.
But they're like
I think,
he's gonna retire at the end of the season, na?
हाँ, but I think मियामी के साथ एक या दो ही मैच बाकी है, I think. या फिर
बस हाँ MLS is over. MLS क्या बताया? We'll also review MLS Inter Miami games, guys, for you exclusively for USA fans on Apple TV. This will stream. We're gonna see Campania. So ऐसा Campania तो निकल गया है.
but let's see how it goes with Busquets. But I'm looking for Bernal. Bernal, I'm looking for Bernal. Bernal has the great ability. He's like a left-footed Busquets, if you see now. Very calm, very composed, and it's very hard to see left-footed midfielder in some sense. You can say Ozil, you can say Guardiola,
Fabian,
you can say not who's that guy from Arsenal? I'm forgetting his name.
Odegaard.
Odegaard, yeah, Odegaard, right? But there are not many left-footed
Fabian भी है ना?
midfielders, right? So
No.
he, this could be a good thing. He will be a left-footed DM, right?
हाँ left-footed DM.
DM or even midfielder in general.
काले 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 को
You gotta cut that thing.
ना नो why bro मतलब कौन है
Let's see.
देखते लेफ्ट फुटेड डीएम एक बार
Let me think.
एआई ओवरव्यू बोलता है एआई सेज सर्जियो बुस्केट्स एंड सैंड्रो टोनाली अरे बेंच
So there is a player named Sergio Busquets in Tonali.
क्या अरे यार फिर से अटक गया है नहीं अटका क्या हुआ
There is a player named Sergio Busquets in Tonali.
नहीं सर्जियो बुस्केट्स एंड सैंड्रो टोनाली अरे टोनाली वो ना
What?
इटालियन
Okay.
वो जो जुए में पकड़ा
So Sergio Busquets and Sandro Tonali.
मैंने लेफ्ट फुटेड डिफेंसिव मिडफील्डर सर्च किया तो बताता है सर्जियो बुस्केट्स एंड सैंड्रो टोनाली या नॉट डजंट मेक सेंस बट ठीक है
Hallucination.
hallucination
I don't know. But yeah, we'll see. Acha, when will Garcia come back?
Garcia expected 6 weeks 4 to 6 weeks he's gonna miss तीन चार मैच और मिस करेगा गार्सिया
What about Stegen?
who cares about Stegen bro fuck Stegen bro I think he's bound to come back in January but we're gonna not
In January?
in January yeah we're not gonna let him go though क्या
इतनी बड़ी इंजरी हो गई
yeah he's going through the surgery now he's going through the surgery he was supposed to be out for 4 months है ना ताकि बार्सिलोना को कुछ लीवे मिल जाता थ्रू यूएफा ऑन हिज सैलरी बट दैट मदरफकर सेड कि आई एम स्पेशली आउट फॉर 3 months एंड देन during pre-season opening when captains have to speak he was handed a written letter कि hey, this is the script you can only say this don't go out of your way to say any other bullshit he was fucking PR trained a Barcelona captain
Yeah.
there was a new law for him as well bro he had to read what he was supposed to say
in front of the crowd.
या अपन को क्राउड से पहले वो एड्रेस करना होता है ना सीजन के पहले, जैसे मेसी बोला था चैंपियंस लीग विल कम बैक।
हाँ, no,
नो ब्रो,
तो वो एक्चुअली ग्राउंड पे आके
या ही रेड ब्रो, ही रेड फ्रॉम द पेपर एंड सेड,
ये क्रेजी है।
मतलब मेड श्योर कि तूने जितना ह्यूमिलेट करने का ट्राई किया ना उससे डबल हम तुझे ह्यूमिलेट करेंगे। देन ही हैड टू अग्री ब्रो, ही रिफ्यूज्ड टू साइन हिज मेडिकल रिपोर्ट्स, ही रिफ्यूज्ड टू साइन हिज मेडिकल रिपोर्ट्स। कांट ब्रो, कांट। आई थिंक जो गार्ड
बट
इंजर्ड हुआ है ना वो उसके जूजू से इंजर्ड हुआ है। ही डिड सम जर्मन जीजू, जो जूजू टॉक विद
जूजू,
हिज बेस्ट फ्रेंड फ्रॉम अफ्रीका। जॉर्गे मेंडेस है ना उसका, हॉर्गे मेंडेस है ना उसका, क्या कहते हैं, मैनेजर।
हाँ नहीं नहीं, आई थिंक स्टीगन का और मेंडिस
हॉर्गे मेंडेस मैनेजर।
and Jorge Mendes is from Portuguese, I think. He's not even from Africa. Rashford actually, when did he, मतलब, come in the second half? Like second half में sub out कब हुआ वो? Around 60 or something.
हाँ क्या बता।
I think he also had a good game, right? At least the first
Rashford,
half.
the good thing about Rashford is that he's confident now, bro. Now, if he'll play with more confidence, it's only gonna get good for us.
I'm also like very happy, even
Bullish
not even
on
like looking,
Rashford.
because like we have seen his best, right? That 2022, I think, or 23 season was his best season, like where he was scoring goals for fun. My friend there is like, when I was in college, so we were having this debate like who is the best player right now. So I was like, yeah, maybe Mbappe, maybe I don't know. I think uh, Messi was. I think Messi. I thought left. I didn't leave. I guess he was still playing for PSG. So these were the names. Then my friend said, no, no, Abhi, now, right now, Rashford is the best player.
Gautam Gambhir said so na. Gautam Gambhir also said the same thing. Yeah, he was
Yeah.
asked between Messi and Ronaldo. He's like, man, Rashford, my brother, you're only good at sharing food. That's why you got that. वो क्या बोलते हैं, OB, MB, whatever. But yeah, no. Jokes apart, he missed that sitter in that Europa League final. So
But yeah, he's good. I think he's very good thing about it. Like he's putting the numbers. That's also good.
already 8 to 9 goals assist, bro. That's crazy, bro.
It's actually good. This season has just started
And
and
for a low
he's
lone
coming
player, he's in a new system.
और लोन पे है भाई, ये भी है. इट्स नॉट लाइक कि परचेस किया है,
परचेज कर
राइट?
लेंगे
तो
आई थिंक।
एक वो,
लेफ्ट विंगर अपन को चाहिए, अपन परचेज कर लेंगे उसको।
हाँ, अगर इफ दिस कंटिन्यूज ना,
25
आई डोंट नो व्हाट्स हिज सेल आउट.
25-30 मिलियन से।
25-30 मिलियन तो आजकल भाई किसी पे भी लगा देते हैं. उसका तो कभी 40-50 तो रख रहे होंगे.
नहीं रे, बार्सिलोना अब 40 की औकात ही नहीं है, जो 60 का ऑलमोस्ट।
हाँ, बारसा विल नॉट पे 40 मिलियंस फॉर
पहले
रैशफोर्ड.
पहले आप अपना ग्राउंड ले आओ, 1:1 के रेशियो में ले आओ, फिर आप ग्राउंड रेडी कर दो। ब्रो, अपन ने एक बहुत मेजर फैक्टर तो बात ही नहीं किया, व्हाई वी आर लूजिंग एट होम इन चैंपियंस लीग मॉन्जूइच। कुछ एटमॉस्फेयर नहीं है ब्रो, वो द फक ऑल एटमॉस्फेयर, नोबडी इज शाउटिंग चैंटिंग, पीएसजी फैंस आर शाउटर देन बार्सिलोना फैंस। क्या चल रहा है फ्रैंकफर्ट जैसे।
इट वाज गुड, लाइक इट वाज वेरी गुड लास्ट सीजन. इफ यू सी ना, इट वाज वेरी
लास्ट सीजन में मॉन्जूइच टट्टी था, ऑल्दो
एफर्ट यूनेट ब्रो. यू
हाँ, वो तो 2 मिनट में गोल मार दिया तो खुश हो गए। बट स्टिल ब्रो, एक कंसिस्टेंट माहौल चाहिए आपको टू कीप द मोरल गोइंग, और एटलीस्ट थोड़ा लगे भी कि अवे खेल रही है टीम, जो टीम अवे खेल रही है उसको लगे, उसको डर लगे आने में। बेंचो इधर तो खुशियां मनाते हैं कि हाँ बेंचो तो होम में हार रहे हैं, अपन होम में इतने वो हारे, मॉन्चूस में इतने गेम हारे ना, अपन इतने गेम्स हारे ना, कुछ बेकार
नो,
रिसेप्शन है ब्रो।
पिछला सीजन तो ऑब्वियसली.
अपन मॉन्जूज में फिर भी हारे हैं, काफी गेम्स हारे हैं अपन, इतने मतलब इतने होम पे आप हार नहीं
ऑब्वियसली
सकते हो जितने आप मॉन्जूज में हारे हो।
जावी का लास्ट सीजन तो इट वाज टेरिबल. बट पिछला सीजन लाइक वी हैड अ गुड सपोर्ट, पीपल वर कमिंग. दो एक्चुअली थोड़ा, आई थिंक एथलेटिक बेस स्टेडियम है, तो एक वो
दूर है, वो बोलते हैं कि थोड़ा पहाड़ चढ़ के है। इसे देखो, है 40,000। ऑनेस्टली 10,000 की कैपेसिटी में जब योहान क्राइफ अरीना में गेम हुआ था, तब तो वो 10,000 में इट्स अ बेटर स्टेडियम देन मॉन्जूइस इन 40-50,000 द कैपेसिटी।
but still I won't like go crazy on the crowd for yesterday game. Yesterday, like for the second half, we deserve to lose, like for real.
वी नीड बेटर क्राउड।
Nah, nah, I'm not gonna go with that. Crowd is
ब्रिंग बैक द अल्ट्रास।
we have to bring back the ultra. I don't know why they
ब्रिंग बैक द रेसिस्ट, द xenophobes, जो भी थे।
why they censoring them. Okay, maybe there was this video of Casado enjoying with the ultras. I think maybe even La Liga last year or something, that he was just hanging out with this gang and this ultra fans are around him and Casado is just chilling, bro. And they were like full,
के काट देंगे जो असिस्ट नहीं दिया तो।
bro, no, no.
बॉक्सर्स बॉक्सॉक्स नुआस।
But if you see now, Casado is also not looked sharp right this season.
खेला ही कितना है कसाडो लास्ट सीजन के।
बट अभी जो पिछला गेम था, जैसे तक सुसाइड वाला गेम ही, उसमें he was lacking a bit. So we have to see like how to build his confidence as well. क्योंकि last season में when we started now, Casado was starting, he was doing great, right? Bayern का गेम देखनी थी, वो चीज देखनी पड़ेगी how to get. So it's a good thing that Fermin has got a good start, right? Frankie, Pedri are also doing good. Casado has to come into this. Bernal has to come into this. Maybe Garcia can come. Maybe Christensen. Long, bro. Season is very long.
सीजन इज वेरी लॉन्ग, विन एटलीस्ट विन 2 से 3 ट्रॉफीज तो वेल मिनिमम है बार्सिलोना के लिए इन अ गुड सीजन। प्लस विल ट्राई टू मेंटेन द डीएनए एंड अगेन ब्रो, व्हेन इट रेन्स इट पोर्स, but when sun shines on sunny Catalonia, there's nothing like it, bro. There's nothing like it. We redefine football with every good season we have. We make new standards with every trophy we win. यूसीएल आया नहीं है काफी टाइम से, तो ये सारी चीजें इतनी स्पार्कल नहीं करती है। बट इट्स ट्रू, देर आर फैंस जो न्यूट्रल फैंस भी नहीं है, दे फॉलो अ क्लब, दे टेंड टू follow Barcelona because they just love the way we play. Not even about UCL for that matter. You tune into any La Liga match and you'll see us playing centrally the way we are supposed to play the game. We don't play hoofball. We play through we play through center, through tiki taka, फ्लीकी फ्लाका बोलते हैं, बट अगेन इट्स द सेम थिंग विद हाई लाइन।
That's a good thing. Like, and even the haters, like, they are also they have to take that. So that's a good sign that we are back. Really looking forward. Let's see how it goes.
आई थिंक we might go undefeated in La Liga. It's very much possible because the league is not looking good, bro. The league में you'll barely see any competitive teams. मतलब पहले एटलीस्ट 5-6 टीम्स होती थी, अभी तो वो भी नहीं है। मतलब एटलेटिको मैड्रिड ने थोड़ा फॉर्म पिकअप किया है आफ्टर बीटिंग मैड्रिड, एंड यूसीएल में भी दे वॉन 5-1। So that's a great start. That's a great pickup they have done from an awful start to the season. But talking about La Liga, Mbappe is looking deadly, bro. Mbappe के अलावा कोई फॉर्म में नहीं है, वो ठीक है, बट Mbappe alone is enough now. ऐसा लग रहा है कि he's winning them games, bro, and he might win them a couple of trophies. But I think somebody else will have to step up. वो अब जाबी पे है।
Bellingham has just came from the injury, so it's important like how he gonna fit into, because Arda Güler is also playing at is also having a good season if you see. And then there's Fede. Has been a bit underconfident. He also came out and said that I'm not really hitting the gas right now. But I'm
Basically,
not.
he had to do a communicado official for being trash, bro. He had to prove that I'm not bad, bro. I'm good.
But I don't really bet against him right now. He still has that potential to go and
We'll always bet against
have.
Madrid players, bro. Fuck Madrid players. Fuck. Uta Madrid. Fuck Madrid. Yeah. And बहुत गालियां पड़ेगी. But it is how it is, bro. It is how it is. La Liga में it was shocking to me that they lost. Recent match day it was shocking कि मतलब Atletico Madrid was playing horribly. They were losing to Elche. They were drawing to bekar se bekar teams, and then comes Madrid. Griezmann had 22 games without goals, bro. And next he played Madrid. What are the odds he scored on them? He scored on their head, and it was a great finish as well.
He scored at the last,
He
right?
scored at the last,
90
and it
plus.
was a great finish as well, bro. थोड़ा सा
It was
finesse
a
दिया right
great
foot
finish.
से.
I love that finish, bro. What a finish that was.
और it was a flip script थी flip होती है. I thought bro Madrid ने मैच फटाफट कमबैक भी कर दिया यार. ये फिर से जीत जाएगी यार. मतलब बहुत अच्छा रिकॉर्ड इम्पैक्ट बहुत अच्छा रिकॉर्ड चल रहा था बिफोर दैट गेम मैड्रिड का. 7 out of 7 8 out of 8 wins. That's crazy. फिर एकदम से आया एटलेटिक मैड्रिड डर्बी ब्रो. सिमियो when we were thinking about starting this episode 1, I was thinking कि सिमियोने को थ्रैश करेंगे, सिमियोने को बुलशिट करेंगे और बोलेंगे निकल भोसड़ी हो गया तेरा टाइम. But bro, just by a couple of matches, he's proved that we are back again. Crazy
I
guy,
think
bro.
I'm not buying the Atletico hype right now because
No, not
these
Atletico.
are
It's like कि, no, if you ask me, I would say कि यार change यार, have some change, remove Simeone and get someone else, right? The way they started the season, but now it has me. मतलब putting them in top three of UCL is totally absurd. But you'll notice that they'll eventually make the they'll however make quarterfinals unless they face Madrid in the round of 16. But I'm not putting them on the top contenders for any trophy. But a couple of games has changed the narrative for me. Earlier I was like, निकालो यार इसको बहुत हो गया है. Get some change.
I think it's more because Alvarez is having a very good patch. If you see now,
Yeah, it could be
he scored the hat trick
eight
and then he
something
scored.
goals assists in 3 matches, I think.
So maybe that's why you are thinking कि maybe Atletico has a chance. But I don't really buy right now because they have a terrible start and one, two, three, four performance here and there. One player having good games.
But momentum is
I'm still
important, na? Momentum is important. They didn't gain momentum at the start. Barcelona and Madrid gained momentum in the start, and then Atletico will eventually play catch up with us in the league. But the fact that the pressure may ease upon them because with every game the pressure was building up and they were really horrible. But they were in below 10th in the first 6 games. I guess if it's not true, I will clip it. But there are a lot.
I also saw Villarreal is at I think third. So I was like, oh really nice. That's good. Because there is no bigger team. Like Sevilla is on I think uh, 11th or something
Sevilla
or
irrelevant है. देखते ना अपन रुक जा. I'll open sofa score.
I'm more of a football guy.
अच्छा बेटा. Mob like we have
I remember.
very right picture in picture. देख we have screen share करूँ क्या मैं?
नहीं कोई दिक्कत नहीं.
देख we have Barcelona scored 21 goals, conceded 5, 19 points out of 7 games. Madrid 18 points out of 7 games, 1 lost. Third we have Villarreal. Villarreal have scored only conceded 5 goals, less than Real Madrid, and they have scored 13 goals. So basically their record is pretty much decent for the start of the season. They're on their third. Elche is fourth. For some reason they're fourth. They're still unbeaten in the league. They've won 3, drawn 4. डिफेंसिव रिकॉर्ड डिसेंट है फिर भी कम टीम्स का. एटलेटिको मैड्रिड हैज मेड देयर वे टू 5th पोजीशन. वी हैव रियल बेटिस ऑन 6th पोजीशन. गेटाफे 10 8 से 12 में रहेगी. एटलेटिको मैड्रिड एटलेटिक क्लब शुड बी ऊपर होनी चाहिए. एटलेटिक क्लब ओनली 7 goals scored in 7 matches. क्या हो गया नीको विलियम्स हैं? नहीं पड़ रहेगा
हाँ
गोल.
bro, what?
नहीं पड़ रहेगा तुमसे गोल अब. हमको रिजेक्ट करोगे? सड़ो वैन.
And actually, Athletic Bilbao always like has this unity because some Basque
हाँ
players हैं.
बास प्लेयर.
So they actually perform good all the time, most of the time. And now they are slacking. I don't know what
अभी
happened to
देखे
them.
अभी अभी
What about?
हारे ना.
हाँ,
हाँ डॉर्टमंड से अभी यूसीएल में हारे थे ना. यूसीएल का गेम था. कौन? आई थिंक 4-1 ही स्कोर था.
anyway, we will see. What about Women League? Who won?
लालिगा देख लेते हैं पहले. एक सेकंड रुक जा. ये कौन? गिरासी. गोल असिस्ट गिरासी. बार्सिलोना इज वाचिंग यू गिरासी.
Where is he from?
गिरासी यार अफ्रीकन है शायद. गिरासी. गिरासी इज गिरासी इज डॉर्टमंड स्टटगार्ट स्टेड रेनेस. बेंचो ये तो घूमा है बहुत. गिनिया.
Senegalese है क्या?
गिने गिने जिनुआ. गिने.
Guyane. African country, I think.
ब्रो मार्केट वैल्यू ब्रो. मार्केट वैल्यू इसकी कितनी है? 20 मिलियन.
Only 20.
देख आई टेल यू ब्रो. इसका लास्ट सीजन के
It used to be free back in the times.
What do you mean we have to pay? Bro, he had 21 goals and 2 assists in 30 matches played. अच्छा गिरासी को वो भी थे ब्रो. He was top scorer in UCL. What are you talking about bro? 13 गोल 4 असिस्ट.
I know. But it should have been awarded to Rafinha.
हाँ यार वो तो ब्रो यार बीटी हो गई है. पर रफीना को तो पार्ट ऑफ इट इज अपॉन अस ब्रो. बिकॉज इट्स लाइक दिस ब्रो. Left wing, you cannot as a Brazilian you cannot compete with a right winger left footed player and who's also a generational talent. Neymar faced it. Rafinha faced it. Anybody who comes will face it because we have that bias of La Masia players and left footed right wingers who are just magical. तो अपना पीआर उधर लीन करता ही है. इवन दो अपन लेट्स से अपन यूसीएल जीत जाते. It's still very hard. It would have been very hard for Rafinha to win the Ballon d'Or even then. तब भी लमीन को ही मिलता because Lamine has kind of passed an eye test. Rafinha in that sense is like Salah. They have their moments. They will score and scoring is important. You're clutch. When you're clutch, you're clutch. Eventually तो आप देखोगे बार्सिलोना सफर उससे ही कर रही है. क्लच गोल मारने वाला कल नहीं था. मे बी राफिनिया होता तो कुछ डिफरेंट होता. बट यस तो इसलिए साला और रफीनिया सेम कैटेगरी टाइप प्लेयर्स हैं.
हाँ, like Rafinha obviously left wing पे खेल रहा है तो obviously he has less flexibility to dribble or to make. But you can compare them. Though Salah is, I think, I would not say better dribbler, but more of a controlled dribbler. Rafinha is more of a trick guy or maybe more. मतलब,
remember
he takes it more differently.
when
That's a good.
Girona used to be title contenders? There was a season, I think last to last season, Girona were title contenders, bro. They're sitting at
Yeah,
20th. They're sitting at 20th. That they're at the bottom of the table, bro, with 0 matches won in 7 games. They've scored 3 goals. 3 goals in 7 games, bro. 3 goals. ऐसा क्या जूजू है आप में जो आपने एक ही सीजन में.
it happens, but I think they must have sold some players maybe because their market demand went or I don't know what happened to the transfer. It happens with teams which are they perform very good and the next season like they back to the basics because like they sold everyone like because of the money taken. So it happens. I'm not really sure.
They're yet to face Barcelona, Madrid, and Atletico. खत्म है bro.
Honestly,
देखते हैं ना इनके प्लेयर्स क्या कर। बॉल पोजीशन, बिग चांसेस मिस्ड पर गेम टोटल। टीम तो यार ऑलमोस्ट वैसी ही है। क्या है, क्रिस्टियन स्टुआनी है, पोर्टू है, वैंडे वीक है, ब्रायन गिल है, लिमार है, एक्सल विट्सल, डेली ब्लिंड। इनके कौन कौन गया एक बार देखते हैं। ज्यादा एग्जिट्स हुए नहीं है जिरोना के। वो सिटी से लिंक्ड थी इसलिए थोड़ा बहुत कुछ तो हुआ था।
I don't know. What about the coach?
कोच कौन है? कोच सर कौन है? स्क्वाड कोच नहीं दिख रहा। नो कोच। अच्छा, ये
He's
मिकेल
just
मिकेल।
Mikel.
निगल जस्ट नेम मिकेल ब्रो। हाँ, आई टेल
Every
यू ब्रो।
second.
कौन कौन था? कोई डिपार्चर, येंगल हरेरा गया है, और केबे गिटेरेस गया है, नपोली। ज्यादा एग्जिट हुए नहीं है खास। डांजुमा गया है, डांजुमा वैसे भी लोन पे था। रोमेओ, या नील नील टॉकिंग अबाउट रोमेओ।
Aja, Romero.
रोमेओ।
It's like it's Romero, na, not Romeo.
रोमेओ है रो।
What's his
आर
first
ओ।
name? What's his first name?
ओरियोल।
Oriol, Oriol.
तू जेरार्ड रोमेरो का तो नहीं देख रहा? थिंग्स आर हैपनिंग।
क्या क्लिकबेट करते लोग यार ट्विटर पे।
President Laporta has ordered pizza. The meeting is going on.
ब्रो, बारसा का ट्रांसफर विंडो फॉलो करना इज लाइक रोलर
ब्रो
कोस्टर।
अपन भी वेट ऑल।
हेडलाइन
बोल ब्रो।
अटर एब्सोल्यूट एंटरटेनमेंट यू कैन
ब्रो मतलब देयर इज नो नॉर्मल डे एट एफसी बार्सिलोना। देयर इज नो नॉर्मल डे एट एफसी बार्सिलोना। अभी भी मैं ट्विटर खोलूंगा ना, ऐसे एब्सर्ड चीजें मिलेगी ना कुछ तो न्यूज चल ही रही होगी। कोई ना कोई तो रो ही रहा होगा। कोई ना कुछ तो चल ही रहा होगा। देयर इज नो।
आई थिंक व्हाई आई थिंक इट मे बी द रीजन नाउ बिकॉज़
देयर सो बिग ब्रो।
ट्विटर पे वो भी है बट ट्विटर पे मे बी लाइक इट शोज लाइक जैसे अपन बार्सिलोना का कंटेंट देखते हैं तो हर एक न्यूज पता है राइट। अब अपने पास मैड्रिड का फीड थोड़ी ना है। दो मैड्रिड का भी फीड देखो आ जाता होगा कि समथिंग इज हैपनिंग क्योंकि चलो वो एक एसोसिएटेड है। अब मान ले एक डॉटमंड है, डॉटमंड का एफटी का फीड अलग है राइट। वहां पे अभी पता नहीं किसने पोस्ट डाली थी कि हिटलर की फोटो डाल दी किसी। somebody commented what's happening at Dortmund FT, right? So there is this thing कि सबके क्लब का जो मेजर क्लब है उनका एफटी
दैट्स
है।
ट्रू बट आई
उनमें उनकी न्यूज चल रही
ग्राफ
है।
ऊपर नीचे।
बट अब ऐसा has this उधर है क्योंकि फिर वो इकोनॉमिक्स कंस्ट्रेंट्स इतने हैं। फिर देयर इज लापोर्टा हु इज लाइक fucking crazy guy, right? So
या मे देखो, अपने सिंस रीच ज्यादा है, पीपल बेट एज वेल। पीपल जान पूछ के ये न्यूज डालते हैं कि लपोटा हैज ऑर्डर्ड पिज्जा, लपोटा का वेट बढ़ गया है, उसका शुगर की गोली अभी कम हो गई है, अभी उसका इंसुलिन शॉर्ट अप हो रहा है। मतलब फकिंग ब्रो, पीपल ईट दिस शिट अप ब्रो, इसलिए दे पोस्ट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो। प्लस इलॉन्स का मनी हैज मेड एवरीवन फेक एज।
exactly after this like paying thing now, everybody is like eating on that. Everybody wants this reach. Everybody is like throwing information out. If you see now, Elon has done this nice thing. This is my time.
गया, शायद डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया, आवाज कट गई।
Yeah.
1 घंटे की रिकॉर्डिंग हो गई, वो क्रेजी हो गया है। बस आधे घंटे में खत्म करते हैं। We're back outside now. We're back outside. We're back in. We're back in. I can't see your video. I can't see your video. What's wrong with the video? What's wrong with the video? Where are you? Can you hear me? Am I audible? Am I audible, nigga? You're not audible. You're not visible. I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? Yeah, you're about to be visible. Let's go. Rohit sir is back in. War Room episode 1 continues. If we combine videos, we have 90 minutes of content ready. Bro, crazy, bro. 90 minutes is a lot, bro. We have talked since 90 minutes, bro. Crazy. 90 minutes अपन yapping कर ली है with sustained enthusiasm.
30 minutes of discussion, disconnection.
Disconnection doesn't matter. ब्रो barely, ब्रो तो क्या बात कर रहा है? 10 मिनट का मैक्स होगा डिस्कनेक्शन. बाकी सब अपना एक्टिव ही रहा है. ना पानी पी रहे, ना सुट्टा पी रहे हैं कुछ. मैं नहीं पीता मम्मी सुट्टा. देखो मैं नहीं पीता. मैं छोड़ दिया है. मैं पीता हूँ. कहाँ गया? I only use Nicotex. No cigarettes. Only Nicotex.
It's such a strange thing that
2 mg for
to
less than 20
remove,
cigarettes a day.
it's crazy. To remove addiction, people are using a simple, the same mechanism. Like they don't
Replacement.
understand they
So they have Nicotex
get
have marketed
addicted
it
to
as
nicotine also.
nicotine replacement therapy. Yeah.
My issue is like you can get addicted to this as well.
Yeah, because nicotine है ना.
You're basically choosing your addiction, right? तू अपना addiction choose कर रहा है यहाँ पे कि तेरे को क्या कौन सा addiction चाहिए. It could be anything.
So by the way, I forgot to mention you the way I see it. मेरे बायो में फुटबॉल, साइकोलॉजी एंड और एक चीज अपन because we will also discuss psychology. Of course. We're rolling out, of course, obvious series now because it's so apparent to us now. Yeah.
So like what's on the agenda right now?
The agenda, this is we'll talk about La Liga. So La Liga, I think एक बोल्ड प्रिडिक्शन देते हैं ला लीगा में, है ना. Madrid to finish first is a bold prediction if you ask me. But Xabi is, jokes apart, Xabi is very bold would be to say that Mbappe will not lead the charts, bro. He'll absolutely sweeping the Pichichi again. There's no one close. Ferran can't catch up with Mbappe. Honestly, कितने भी गोल मार दे वो, because अब वो है यार. अब they also get a lot of penalties. They also plus they don't share, he doesn't share his penalties as well. इधर मेसी को 2 गोल मिलता है, तीसरा गोल बेंचो पहले सुआरेज को दे देगा, फिर किसी और को दे देगा पेनल्टी. ब्रो स्कोर अ हैट्रिक फॉर वंस ब्रो. फकिंग ब्रेस मैन. जो 4 साल से हैट्रिक स्कोर नहीं किए, 2 गोल मारता है, फिर बोलता है मेरे को सब कर दो. 2 गोल मारता है, फिर बेंचो तो टैप इन दे देता है, खुद कुछ गोल मारता नहीं है. हैट्रिक मारो यार थोड़ा.
That will always be there. This man, it's so funny. Like I saw this tweet where it like message like this. But I don't know. I think it's clicking. If you see, like, I think Miami just had this game with Chicago, I guess, of 3-3 or something.
No, they lost, bro. They lost the recent game.
I
No,
didn't
the
know
recent
that.
game where Suarez scored. Yeah, they lost 5-3. But it's
Damn.
surprising to me. I was awake one night and I just happened to see they had a match at I think 4 or 5. I just opened it, bro, and within 5 minutes, Messi, and I think they were trailing 1-0, and within 5 minutes of my starting, Messi just took a half touch, took a half turn, and just passed it on. The guy was running behind the line, and they scored. And after halftime, they scored again.
That was good.
maybe he scored the second goal, but no. The first goal, the equalizer, was not scored by Alba. I think the other goal was scored, must have been scored.
Acha, Alende. Acha, he made this pass
Yeah,
through the legs. Oh, that was great pass. And it was good to see Alain. I don't know how do you pronounce it, Alende or something. He
Van
made that run
Dijk.
as soon as he got the ball. He was already running, so he knew even the angle doesn't give you that because the player is just at the front of you. But Messi has that he can play with through his legs, and it actually
Remind me to
went.
put the video for reference, you know. मतलब, while editing, while clipping, we'll put the video.
Uh, that you can figure out while watching this whole video.
Because I think we are not thinking about the same goal.
Are the same goal, na? That Messi made a pass through that
हाफ टर्न पे पास किया था वही ना, हाफ टर्न लेने के बाद
through the legs of the player. Like he
लेग
made a
से
nutmeg
था
pass
क्या?
basically. And then Messi also scored a brilliant goal, right? That second goal, I thought maybe it was his first, I guess.
For the day, yeah. I think he was the one who scored.
Yeah, he definitely scored. He got the ball and he was charging and he took this very sharp turn, right? He first take it as a inside cut and then went outside, then took scored the goal. I think it was against New York. I think we are confusing the goals here of the
Yeah.
matches.
Whatever. Inter Miami, good. Inter Miami, good.
I
But there was lot of criticism around Javier Mascherano. There still is though, but based on what I can see, based, अच्छा, they're placed on the table quite above, and this time they will make the playoffs. They also made playoffs last year, I
ah, like,
remember,
that's
but
that has been done and dusted.
they're in top five, bro. Top five MLS में होना is a big deal for Inter Miami. तो मैस्करानो का क्रिटिसिज्म फिर गोज थोड़ा ओवर, अगर आप बोल रहे हो तो, बिकॉज बहुत गालियां बकते हैं कि मेसी कंट्रोलिंग मास्केरानो, वो जिस हिसाब से साइनिंग्स बोलता है वैसे हिसाब से साइनिंग होती है, बट व्हेन मेसी विल रिटायर ही विल डेफिनेटली गेट सम परसेंटेज ऑफ इंटर मायामी ओनरशिप, आई थिंक सो, उसके कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में है. Beckham selling his soul for Messi.
But the best thing is like Messi is again having a great season before the World.
Yeah. So is Mbappe, and Neymar is sleeping. Neymar is
No,
sleeping.
I think Ancelotti said the statement on that Neymar cannot play as a forward because of the physicality issue. He literally said it. So like he is
What
like
does
Neymar is
Ancelotti know,
out of
bro?
the bro eyebrow.
No, but actually, na, Ancelotti might just take Brazil over the line. Brazil is the kind of team, na, is like the Real Madrid of UCL, because since they have the most trophies, they're always the contenders to do it. Plus, they have the culture to support them, to back them. They
But
might
I
not be the
never
best contenders, but they're always there.
Brazil. If you see now, I never found this unity in Brazilians. Like they look, there's always some new guy comes, Guimarães or some I don't know,
You think they're
Sao
not
Paulo or some.
intimidating?
They are not like a collective unit.
Okay. No, yeah, Brazil. I think Brazil is more collective. You can see Richarlison backing Vinicius ka Ballon d'Or. You can see Richarlison and Neymar.
The problem is like there is always some new guy that comes every one of them. There is no like certainty, right? Like for if you see Argentina in the last 4 years, players have
Leader, are
remained.
you talking as a leader? As a leader, they don't have a single individual apart from Thiago Silva or
I think it's more
Marquinhos.
about the problem with selection problem. They are not backing their player. Maybe let's say 2 years ago they had a different team sheet. Today it's different. With Argentina, it's not the same case. 2 years they were the same. Today some people might have retired, right? But the core team is still the same, right? There is still Lautaro, there is still Alvarez, there is still in the midfield as well. So, but that core is remained, right? DePaul or now there are some new guys also coming. But with Brazil, can you name the midfield of Brazil?
हाँ, अपना ब्रूनो गुइमराइश है और एक लुकस पाकेटा है. कासिमिरो sometimes plays as well.
Yeah, but you can say like there is no like stability. Like
आप कह
okay, this
सकते
is
हो कि there have been since there is a lot of talent they consider themselves flexible. अभी फॉरवर्ड में तो we know रिचर्लिसन आगे अप फ्रंट रहेगा ही, लेफ्ट में विनीशियस रहेगा ही, राइट में इट विल बी इधर रॉड्रिगो और इट विल बी राफिनिया. If not Rafinha, then they'll change the क्या कहते हैं formation. They have midfield Thiago Silva. They have. I don't think he'll play another World Cup. He must have retired or so. But they have Marquinhos. They have Danilo. Danilo is still playing, I guess, right? और भी squad होगी. Let's check Brazil का squad because Brazil is something जो हर वर्ल्ड कप में you can say that I agree with you on that part कि each tournament they have the capacity to make a new lineup. फील्ड दे कैन फील्ड 11 प्लेयर्स मल्टीपल टाइम्स. दे लाइक ए टीम भी है बी टीम भी पूरी है. अर्जेंटीना डिडंट हैव दैट डेप्थ. दे स्टिल डोंट.
that's the problem now. There is no stability. Like people are not certain who's gonna play. Right? There is always questions. Is he good? Is he good? Argentina maintained that few players or that core players throughout this whole journey. That has been a very significant difference. And it's been like 25 years now since Brazil last won the World Cup. So we cannot really go with the same notion that they are favored. They have to do something to actually back up this team. They have the most World Cup. Okay, I get it. But still, like 25 years is a quarter century, man.
वे फॉर या बट अच्छा अगर विल हैव टू रेट टॉप 5 contenders for वर्ल्ड कप. हाउ वुड यू गो अबाउट इट? हु वुड यू रेट?
Spain, no, uh, Spain, Argentina, definitely there. But Portugal also has a chance because now they have won the Nations League and the whole squad. If you see now, the PSG guys, let's say Fabian Ruiz or Vitina or Juventus, or maybe Ramos are also in PSG. So that is like a unit you can say. They have the score of player. Then Ronaldo will have can play a role as a leader, right? Obviously, he will not play the whole World Cup, right? He will be used at a crucial moment or maybe to hype people or it will be like see how they will manage Ronaldo and also for Ronaldo to take this position. Okay, I'm not that guy that can play all game. What are the who are the other players? Like, what about the midfield? As I told you, Ruiz and
Vitinha, Bruno.
Bruno is
Bruno is playing amazing, bro. Bruno is class. Honestly, apart from having the most punchable face in the universe, he's class. He produces मैजिकल मोमेंट्स. मतलब उस मैजिक मोमेंट्स पी के खेलता है भोसड़ी का. बट अच्छा खेलता है. he can get you out of low blocks. He can guide the play. He can control the tempo. Bruno, amazing player, bro.
then there is Rafael Leao on the left wing. On the right wing, I think they got this new guy that is also a really good winger.
Trincao.
Who's no. His name is very hard to pronounce if you see now.
Arey bro, we forgot in midfield Joao Neves.
Yeah. There are players like we'll see defense how it goes. So I'm not backing Portugal out here.
Top 5 में
Germany is also
Argentina,
in
Spain, Portugal. Uh, do you think?
yeah.
I think Germany is as bad, bro. Germany, they need to sack Nagelsmann,
Germany
bro.
not happening.
They need to sack Nagelsmann, bro. मैंने 2-3 मैच देखे थे इनके क्वालिफायर्स के recent. Bro, even if they score one goal ना, they won't go to score another goal. And even when they're 0-0, they won't even attempt to get a goal in. It's as horrible as it was with France last season. But at least France got results. Germany is not even getting the results, bro. And they have this motherfucker 6'7" Volte made. He can't hold the ball to save his life. He's so fucking trash. We're so afraid of him. Barca fans were so afraid of him against Newcastle when we had that match. That oh, we have this tall Dan Burn. Yeah, match चूके players. Volte made 6 का भड़वा. Although he scored recent game में.
He came as a substitute man that game, so we cannot really go.
Newcastle, but they were afraid of a shit player, bro. He can't hold the ball. He's 6'6", bro. Bro, as 6'6", you're good in air. You're not expected to dribble much, but as if you're a striker, you need to at least hold up the play, you need to link up. बट ठीक है यार, न्यूकासल के प्लेयर के बारे में अपन ज्यादा क्या ही बोले, बट फालतू में हाइप करते हैं कुछ कुछ प्लेयर्स को जस्ट बिकॉज दे आर फ्रॉम इंग्लैंड.
So okay.
जर्मनी ने इंग्लैंड इज
Let's
देयर एंड फ्रांस इज देयर, टॉप 5 हो गया.
you can say England and France. England, Tuchel is the manager. I don't know how much they have played under him, but yeah, you can always go for England because like they have been reaching the final stages. Like देखिएगा यूरो में भी they went I think 2 finals maybe. World Cup में I think they were there, so they will go. I think though still it's very hard for them to win because of their mentality or because of that something is lacking. Maybe it's about character, maybe it's something about. But still, I'm going to take England, and which is the fifth team. Obviously, you cannot take France out of the equation.
बट ये तो बहुत प्रेडिक्टेबल हो गया, मतलब सबका टॉप 5 यही होगा. ठीक है.
हाँ, like even Portugal as well. हाँ, actually, सबका top five यही है. Other than that, which are the other teams? Like I don't know how.
मेरे को लग रहा है इस बार अच्छा इटली तो खेल ही रही है ना, इटली थोड़ी खेल रही, इटली इटली प्लेऑफ्स में है. इटली आई थिंक प्लेऑफ्स में, या फिर क्या हुआ था इटली का ब्रो, इटली माइट गो बैक टू बैक वर्ल्ड कप्स विदाउट वर्ल्ड कप्स.
Yeah,
इटली आई थिंक देयर इन प्लेऑफ्स. इटली ब्रो, मैन चो इतना लो.
I don't know. But which are the other teams? That's a good question.
वी हैव डच.
Yeah, does
डच है, डच एक्चुअली सरप्राइजिंगली पता है, दे कैन बीट, आई फील दे कैन बीट एनी टीम, बीट एनी टीम, बट समहाउ दे लैक कंसिस्टेंट गोल स्कोरर्स. डिपाई है, बस डिपाई मारता है. अभी चलो अभी उनके पास गाकपो है, गाकपो इज अ रिलायबल स्ट्राइकर, but still you need someone who stacks up goals like their clockwork. Every team has their own player like that. Spain makes it up for their play style. Argentina has Messi and Lavrato. England has Harry Kane. Portugal has Ronaldo. But they have Ronaldo, right? We have Belgium.
let's see. Frank is playing good, so we have to see how he will do in Netherlands. And Van Dijk is there. Maybe Gakpo could have a good season. Well, Gakpo is actually looking very fast, even from Liverpool. Belgium, I don't think so. Like there is something very bad blood about Belgium.
बेल्जियम का गया उनका गोल्डन था जो स्क्वाड का, वो गया. रॉबर्ट मार्टिनेज उधर नहीं कर पाया तो वो पोर्चुगल चला गया. अभी पोर्चुगल का गोल्डन एज खराब करेगा जो.
Like name 3 or 2 teams which can like shine unexpectedly.
देख आई थिंक Croatia again has the opportunity to go through at least quarterfinal, semi-final, because they have that mentality now. You cannot keep them away from at least quarterfinals. They will make they will make it out of the group, and they will at least be in the quarterfinals, because last time they were in the semi-finals. चलो ठीक है, penalty जीत जीत के आप, but it still counts for a lot. And then I won't say Morocco
We are
this time.
actually counting out. Actually, we are counting out one really good team.
I don't want to count Morocco. ठीक है.
It's from South America.
उरुग्वे.
Yeah.
उरुग्वे.
Uruguay has had a very good run. They beat Argentina as well.
हाँ, they in World Cup, last World Cup I remember Valverde was on top of it, bro. Valverde was on top of it. In group stage matches, he was the only one who was carrying the entire midfield. He was trying left, right, and center to to gameplay, to try to make some chances, to control at least to control the ball carrying midfielders का जो ball carrying आता है, he was trying to do that. So I was really impressed because otherwise और कोई कुछ try कर नहीं रहा था. क्योंकि देखो और कितने ही अच्छे प्लेयर्स हैं उनके पास, दे हैव जिमेनेज, दे हैव सुआरेज, तो डोंट काउंट, चलो।
But I think Bielsa is their coach, right?
बियल्सा है।
Bielsa is their coach, I guess. So he has done good in the qualifiers. Like they have beaten Argentina as well. That's a They had a very good streak, but I don't know what happened. They fumbled in the end, but I think they still finished second. I guess
क्वालिफायर्स में
that's a good one.
फोर्थ, दे फिनिश्ड फोर्थ।
Finished
फिनिश फोर्थ, अर्जेंटीना, इक्वाडोर, कोलंबिया, उरुग्वे।
Ecuador, bro. Ecuador finishing second.
सेकंड
Damn,
ब्रो, ब्राजील ऑलमोस्ट डिडंट क्वालिफाई, बाय द वे, डू यू नो दैट?
that's the thing, bro. Brazil is not is shaky, bro.
इनका
And
देखो,
we didn't take Brazil in the top five, right? Obviously, for
स्ट्राइकर में न्यूनेज है इनके पास, वालवर्डे है, मिडफील्ड में उगाइटे है, पेलेस्ट्री, बेंटानकूर है, देन दे हैव अनदर दिस क्रिस्टियन ओलिवेरा, इग्नासिया सनाब्रिया, रैंडम अराउ। They have a midfielder, they have a goalkeeper named Franco Israel, so they might get banned from playing the World Cup. Let's see how it goes.
or maybe they can control it.
आई थिंक एक एक यार बोल्ड प्रोडिक्शन करते हैं लोग, टर्की का हर बार करते हैं, टर्की ले सकते हैं अपन, हंगरी ले सकते हैं, अल से हंगरी।
Like I really like Morocco. I think are building a good team. They did good last time as well. I'm betting on them again, right? And what about any Asian team like
Asian teams, I think there always be Japan.
South Korea is always like
No,
a
I
nice
don't rate
chance.
South Korea honestly. Japan is there. Will also might see Africa में there. I think some random team qualified, some bekar si team qualified, some third, fifth world country from the north of Afghanistan, north of Africa.
USA is also there, right?
USA is
Of course,
also
they are
there.
like
They will have their opening game. They'll they will go home advantage है, तो I think Trump will do something, इधर उधर रेफरीज खरीदेगा। ब्रो तूने टिकट देखे? टिकट इतने महंगे आ रहे हैं बहन, जो $2,000 से स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं फाइनल के प्राइसेस।
Zoran actually came with this his new plan कि actually जो tickets है actually या तो stop कर दो, एक limit होनी चाहिए of
कौन?
the ticket price. Zoran Mamdani
अच्छा, ये अपना न्यूयॉर्क का जो वो मेयर बनने वाला है,
mayor है mayor.
कम्युनिस्ट।
So he has
कम्युनिस्ट, वे टॉकिंग
he
पॉलिटिक्स नाउ। चार्ली कर्क को मार दिया
socialist
तुमने,
more like
तुम
socialist.
बहन के लंड लेफ्ट विंगर्स ने चार्ली कर्क को मार दिया। शर्म आनी चाहिए तुमको यार।
So he has come out with this plan like so that we should put a cap on the pricing. So everybody is like, okay, that's a good initiative, right? Because like the prices are so actually very expensive. If you see now.
नहीं जा पाएंगे अपन यार। मेसी आ रहा है अपने पास,
I really
मेसी आ रहा है बहन चोद, और क्या चाहिए? मेसी को देखने जाएंगे
20
वानखेड़े में। क्या?
next year when will it start?
क्या? वर्ल्ड कप समर?
Acha, it's like
ब्रो
June, I
ऑनेस्टली
think.
ब्रो, इफ वी लेट्स से अपन ने अभी 1 घंटा कर लिया, लेट्स से वी डू इट फॉर 6 मंथ, 7 मंथ, 8 मंथ्स, मतलब 6 7 6 7 8 मंथ करेंगे तो ही ट्रैक्शन आएगा डिसेंट सा, है ना? और राइट अराउंड वर्ल्ड कप तो वी कैन बैक दैट अपॉर्चुनिटी, नॉट टू, मतलब इट्स फार फेच्ड, वेरी फार फेच्ड टू थिंक कि विल मेक इट देयर, बट एटलीस्ट व्हाई
I don't,
विल डू समथिंग, विल डू स्ट्रीमिंग, विल डू समथिंग।
yeah, I don't take this option out of the equation. Like anything could happen.
या
Like maybe a deal could come and they are
Fabrizio
ready
Romano,
to.
if you're watching this, che pasa, Italy, call my friend, 111, do something. Yes, pasta, pasta.
Here we go.
Here we go. There we land.
But you never know, bro. That's a good thing to sing. We started this and there's World Cup, right? Any deal could come. Maybe people are uh, just telling us to, okay, you can go and maybe they can have this branding or something. This is like shooting the stars, baby. Right. But I like you for this thought. Yeah, World Cup is coming. We just started this war room. Never know.
प्लस आईपीएल अच्छा है
Internet
ना,
could
वार
change.
रूम.
Ah, it's good. War room.
लोगो भी है तो
It
अपन
must be.
फॉर स्टार्टर्स विल यूज दैट लोगो.
Yeah, yeah. Though I have more other ideas as well for logos or something. So anyway, I think we should end.
या वी शुड कॉल इट अ डे ब्रो. 1 घंटा 37 मिनट हो गया, विच इज गुड इनफ ब्रो, विच इज गुड इनफ प्रोवाइडेड इट्स ऑन वीडियो. अगर ये कैप्शंस आ जाएंगे तो विल पुट कैप्शंस, ऑटोमेटेड कैप्शंस आ गए तो बढ़िया ही चीज है. द ओनली थिंग वी हैव टू सी इज,
Actually, on YouTube now, YouTube itself generates
हाँ,
captions.
YouTube will itself generate caption, but if you have to slap the video, you want the video to be on different platforms. So if we release the video with captions itself, it gets easier for people to understand what they're talking about, because अपना audio भी
No,
इतना
so
particularly.
what happens now when you put the video on YouTube now, you will see the captions and you can edit those captions as
Okay, that
well.
works then.
Before even publishing.
Okay.
So it's very easy. Like for the caption thing, YouTube is good. There will only be some nuances that you have to fix.
बस मेरे को ये इशू है कि ये जो अगर ऊपर गई ना, 2 GB के ऊपर गई, तो क्लाउड स्टोरेज इसमें शायद 2 GB दे रखा है इसने. बट देखते हैं कितनी अपलोड होती है. एक बार अपलोड हो जाएगी तो फिर अपन को देखना पड़ेगा ट्रांसफर कैसे करनी है, बिकॉज विल नीड टू मेक मोर वीडियोज एज वेल ना. अपग्रेड कर लेंगे प्रो में.
अरे ओके, तू बोल रहा है एक टाइम पे 2 GB तक का ही वीडियो
मतलब
बन
इट शोड अभी पता चले ये इसकी रिकॉर्डिंग बंद करूंगा ना मैं.
चलो ठीक है.